What if the greatest victory over a narcissist isn't making them suffer, but becoming the one person they can no longer control? Stay with me, because what psychologists have discovered may completely change the way you think about healing. If you've lived through manipulation, gaslighting, or constant emotional exhaustion, it's natural to wonder whether they'll ever understand the pain they caused. But here's the surprising truth. Your freedom often speaks louder than any argument ever could. Narcissistic personalities often depend on attention, emotional reactions, and a sense of control. Every heated conversation, every attempt to prove your innocence, every desperate search for closure can keep that cycle alive. The moment you stop feeding it, everything begins to change. Silence isn't weakness. It's self-respect. When you stop explaining yourself to someone determined to misunderstand you, you protect your peace instead of their ego. Your calm becomes something they can't predict, and unpredictability removes the control they once relied on. Boundaries work the same way. A simple, confident no can be more powerful than 1,000 explanations. Healthy boundaries aren't punishment. They're protection. They remind you that your time, emotions, and energy belong to you. Then comes the part they never expect. Your healing, whether it's therapy, journaling, rebuilding friendships, reconnecting with your faith, or simply learning to smile again. Every step forward weakens the influence the past once had over you. The goal isn't proving them wrong. It's proving to yourself that your future is bigger than your pain. Another powerful shift is learning to stop seeking their approval. Many survivors spend years hoping for accountability, validation, or a genuine apology. But real healing begins when you realize your worth doesn't depend on someone else's opinion. You stop waiting for permission to be happy. You simply choose it. Psychologists often recommend strategies like emotional detachment and the gray rock method in situations where it's appropriate and safe. The purpose isn't revenge. It's reducing unnecessary conflict and protecting your emotional well-being. When someone can no longer control your reactions, their influence naturally begins to fade. Don't announce your healing. You don't have to post every victory or explain every boundary. Quiet growth is still growth. Let your peace be private. Let your success speak for itself. Build healthy relationships. Chase your dreams. Celebrate small wins. Replace self-doubt with self-respect. Every choice that honors your values helps break the cycle of manipulation. Most importantly, don't let anyone rewrite your identity. You are not too sensitive. You're not impossible to love. You're not the labels someone used to keep you questioning yourself. Those labels were never your identity. Your character, your resilience, and your compassion tell the real story. Here's what many people eventually discover. The strongest response to manipulation isn't revenge. It's becoming emotionally free. When your happiness no longer depends on the person who hurt you, you take back something far more valuable than control. You take back your life. And that's why true healing is so powerful. Not because someone else finally suffers, but because you finally stop carrying the weight they left behind. If today's message helped you see your journey from a different perspective, let us know in the comments where you are in your healing journey. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to TF, and keep watching for more psychology-based insights that help you build peace, confidence, and emotional freedom. This content is for educational and self-improvement purposes and is not a substitute for professional mental health advice. Every situation is unique, so always choose the approach that is safest and healthiest for you.